Alright, how's it going, everyone? It's Sean with DR Outdoors, and coming at you with a quick one. We're going to do a little review. It's the VEVOR storage box. It goes over your wheel well, so I can hopefully have it at the same time with the tonneau cover. Chevy Silverado edition. It was $115 on Amazon. And it has a lockable lid, supposedly waterproof. Pretty nicely packaged. Here it is. Pretty decent size. Here's the lid. And here we go. It's open. That's the lock. Comes with a little plate. Here's the keys and the fasteners and everything. Looks like I gotta tap into the bed. Hopefully it can tap in with my bed liner. It should be fine. Looks like here's some brackets and stuff. Nicely wrapped in foam. Okay. I decided to back the truck up into the garage. First thing, install the bracket. Put the box on it and see if it closes. It's gonna go like this. Closes. Moment of truth. Alright. It's on there. And what do we do here? We hold it. Oh, it's a little low. Little low. Let's get a little bit higher. Now let's try it. That's better. Rolls back here, and then you can see it closes. So maybe back here. So we're going to open the tonneau cover, pop the toolbox out, pop it, and then you can. That's easy enough, though. There we go. This box is what I was using before. Ratchet straps, bungee, ratchet. Here we go. Wonder, work gloves, they can go up here underneath the tray. Nice Mjolnir toolbox, almost. No way. Ooh, nice. All right, look at this guy. Cool. Leatherman multi-tool. And the flashlight. I need batteries. I think that's good for now. Shutter. That's it. I'm glad at this video. Thanks for joining me on putting together and testing out the VEVOR storage box for the truck bed. See you next time on Deer Outdoors.